What is up, guys? This is Harsh from Tech Renders. First of all, thank you so much for showing your love and support on our previous videos, especially the Samsung one where we were able to reach more than 1k views within a week. Honestly, that was a great achievement for me and my team. This is primarily the main reason why I started with this channel on YouTube in the first place, to help the viewers in making the right purchase decision and to bring the latest tech videos to you. Today, I have got an ultimate tweak which will help you guys in tweaking the features of your WhatsApp. The tweak that I'll be talking about is Watusi from Rahib, the iOS and web developer. Now, I'll walk you through the amazing features of this app and the way you will be able to use it on your device. So without wasting further time, let's get straight into it. Here I have an iPhone SE running on the official build of iOS 12.4.8. Going into the App Store to show you guys that I'm running the official WhatsApp application which I directly downloaded from the App Store. Now here is my WhatsApp. It's taking a while to load. The application looks exactly the same except the fact that you will be able to see this icon on the top corner, which is from another tweak that I'm currently using called Stocky. And as the name suggests, it lets you stalk anyone on WhatsApp. It will give you notification when anyone from your contacts list will update his or her profile picture, and also it will automatically download and save their profile images in your gallery, which is like so cool. So this is how it looks like. For example, these contacts have recently changed or deleted their profile pictures and it's directly giving me a notification here. I'll directly go into the settings and will show you guys how the modules of Watusi looks like. Here I have Watusi preferences where we have tons of modules including the privacy settings, protection, status add-ons and many more. So let's go one by one. Now under the privacy settings, freeze last seen, which will actually freeze your last scene even if you will keep coming online, and this disable typing indicator, it will which is like very useful when you have a habit of typing and sending long messages. Now scrolling down you will be able to see disable internet access option, which will completely disable the internet access inside the WhatsApp application. So this becomes very useful when you guys actually want to use the internet on your device but don't want the WhatsApp application to access the internet, because as of now WhatsApp doesn't really have a feature to temporarily disable your account on WhatsApp, so this feature becomes very useful. Also under the privacy settings you have block incoming calls option. Now if you enable this feature, then people will not be able to reach you on WhatsApp calls. It will never show them ringing. Now let's go back to some other settings. Here you have protection settings. Now in protection settings you can set the passcode for the application and individual chat, so nothing special about it. Status add-ons will let you download the status and will also let you watch the statuses without letting the other person know about it unless you manually mark it seen, and also it will let you keep their deleted statuses as well. Chat add-ons. Chat add-ons will let you bypass the revoking time limit and most importantly will let you keep the deleted messages of your contacts. So if someone sent you a message and deleted it, you will still be able to see that message. Bypass the forward limit and also the forward indicator, which is really cool, I guess. Other add-on features like unlimited pinned chats and feature to let you increase the about length from 139 characters to 256 characters really works well. Now other features like media, this will allow you to send unlimited number of photos at once. Now other features like user interface, it will let you fully customize the look of your WhatsApp. Now most important, message scheduler, which I use almost every day. Message scheduler. Message scheduler will let you schedule a time for your message and will automatically deliver it to your contact as and when you schedule it to. Also the coolest feature is auto reply. This feature already exists in WhatsApp business application, but here you will be able to enjoy it on your personal WhatsApp too. That's all folks. In the next video I'll tell you guys how to install and run it on your Android and iOS device, and also a way to receive notifications and reports from WhatsApp when someone comes online and for how long, and even you guys will receive a notification when he or she comes online, and also a typing notification when they are typing a message for you. Pretty cool, right? That's what tech renters are here for. A big thanks to my team working in the background to deliver the content to you. Kapil Verma, who's into networking, and our cameraman Shubham Rawat. So thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked the Vatusi tweak, and do subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.